Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will put this one go to the right. So we have the positive in here. Next, we can do about factorization by e to the power of y. Next, I will put the s go to the right and e to the power of y go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one I will put e to the power of negative y. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative y. The integration of number 6, that is about 6s. This one we have s to the power of number 4 over number 4, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So we put number 0 gone here and here. Number 1 gone here. Now we need to simplify, and we have negative 1 over e. So I will put this one gone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.